Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Bubbly Bunny. So today I'm going to show my fish tank. It's so cool, right? Those plants. Well, the pink ones are artificial because the fish need to know that they're at home. Or else they get so nervous, they bang into the glass wall. And we don't want the water to splash all over our house. So we just kept it like that. And the Plecos. Do you guys see the Plecos anywhere? Yeah, they're at the side. I'll show you. There's one. Here's one. And the other is over here at the filter. And the Plecos eat gunk, which buggers. Other fish don't usually do. Gross. But they're Plecos. Stupid and silly, just eating the gunk. And the reason why I don't clean the tank is that they get a lot of food. Oh, nice. But they usually eat that green plant. And do you guys spot any cucumbers anywhere? Yeah? Yep. I'll show you. One is there, and one is there. The Pleco is eating it. Haha. And it's very funny that they just slurp it up. Slurp, slurp. And the other fish are just hungry, I think. That's why they're just on the top floor, baby. I know, right? They're so cool. Well, I don't know why that Goldie is pooping right now. And the thing is, I don't know why they always suck gunk. And sometimes they're also slurping on the motor for gunk. And usually they literally get stuck to the motor and just slurp it. And then they just block the way of what the filter is doing. Motor filter, I don't know what to call it, but yeah. It's very nice, actually. The Goldies are just, floating up at the top, thinking what they cannot do. And I don't know what that other Goldie is doing. It's literally pooping. I don't know why. It's literally pooping a big string. Can you just leave it? I don't know. So, on to the other part. We can literally see the whole fishy tank. And mostly, the pink plant is my favorite. That pokey one on the side, I don't like it. The fishies, when they're fighting with each other, they literally get hurt. I don't know, but their body is very delicate. Almost like if we just touch them or itch them or scratch them, they just die. I don't know, literally they just die. I don't know why. But the thing is, I really like fish. I don't know, but the Plecos are very weird. And they just swoop up and then quickly go down. Literally, they do that like a stunt. Or they just do that for air. Literally for air. But that quick, how can they do that? So weird, right?
How is this possible?
I don't know, the Plecos are very weird. They're literally just slurping on gunk, slurping on the shells, and slurping on the, cucumbers. Which is very, very, I don't know. Humans can eat it, fish can eat it. No combination at all. Fish are like humans, humans are like fish. I don't know. And the weird thing is, I've never seen the goldfish have a big tummy before.
Hey, don't call me fat!
Do you guys think it's going to grow soon? I don't know. It's very weird though. And here's a fun fact. No, actually a deadly fact. That when the Plecos grow up and when they don't have enough food, they literally eat the other fish in the tank or in the river. And all the growing plants in the ocean or like the water bodies, they literally eat all of that plants which are growing in there. I don't know why. They just make their own territory there. Almost like their own house. Which literally that is a big water body place, so literally they have enough place. But can't they just leave a little space for the other fish? Oh my gosh. I don't know, but they're weird. Which is certainly weird. And until next time, I'll meet you later. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, Bubbly Bunny. Bye.